Stickman is calmly sketching in his notebook under a swaying tree when a sudden sneeze propels a paper out of his grasp. Instantly, it catches the wind, soaring skyward, and Stickman leaps up, running after it with surprising speed. The paper flutters past a crowded skate park where Stickman, in a daring move, grabs a skateboard, zigzagging through ramps with baffling balance. Next, it drifts to an amusement park, leading him onto a spinning carousel where he expertly switches gears mid-ride. As the chase reaches its climax, a gentle breeze finally lands the well-traveled paper back in Stickman's hands, who grins, tucking it safely into the notebook, realizing he embarked on an unexpected adventure. He chuckles, content with his new story,